Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the boyfriend from the Silly Billy mod. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off at the top and let's draw the head. Let's draw a curved piece of hair in and back up. Then on the right, let's curve it over. And another pointed piece of hair going down. Now let's hop back over to the left side and let's draw two pointed pieces out and bring it back in. Now underneath the hair, let's start drawing the face. On the right, let's draw a curve up and in. Then from the left, let's draw a wavy line over and up. Now inside this top section, let's add the eyes. Let's start with two long ovals. And then add another one inside. And then let's color these in black. And then color the rest of the area in around the eyes black as well. Now let's move down and let's finish drawing the rest of the face. On the right side, let's angle it down and then curve it back over to the left side. Now inside the bottom section, let's draw a curve up and back down for the nose. And now let's add the mouth. Let's start with the curve on the top left. And then curve it down and over. Now for the end, let's draw a curve down. And then one more curve underneath to close off the mouth. Now let's hop inside and add the teeth. We'll start with two curves up near the right. Another one on the right, and then work our way over on the left side. And lastly, for the face, let's add some of the cracks. Let's draw some black V-shape points up from the bottom, and one more up to the eye like this. And that's it for the face. Now let's move over on the left and let's add the ear. Let's draw the shape of the ear up and back down and add two curves inside. And now next to the ear here, let's finish drawing the hair. Let's add a wavy line up and back down. Now step up from the bottom and let's draw another wavy line up and a longer one over to the right side. And curve it in at the end. And then on top of this line, let's draw another wavy line out. Now to close off the hair, let's move down and let's draw a curved piece out and back in, and one more underneath. And then add some curved V-shapes inside like this. And that's it for the hair. Now let's move over on the top left and let's add the hat. Let's start on top and let's draw a curve over. And then a curved piece up and down. And then two more going out on the left side. Now underneath, let's draw a small line down and then a wavy line down to the ear. Now inside the hat, let's draw a curve down with two lines across. and then 2 angles down on the left. Now next to the ear, let's add the brim of the hat by curving it out and back in. And add a curved line inside. And then underneath, let's draw another curved piece of hair out and back in. And that's it for the head. Now let's move down and draw the body. Underneath on the left, let's draw a curve down and back up. Then add another curve inside near the bottom and an angled line down from the top. Now on both sides, let's draw a curve down and in, leaving a gap in the center. Now let's hop to the left under the ear and let's draw a curve out and then bring it down for the shoulders. Now let's move over, and for the right shoulder, let's draw a small line out and in. Now to continue drawing the shirt, let's draw the left sleeve. Let's start with a zigzag line down here and then curve it over. And then from the left side, a small angle in. Now for the end of the sleeve, let's draw a curve up with 2 bumps and then curve it down. And then let's add 2 angles down and in for the top of the arm. Now before we finish the shirt, let's add the left arm. Let's draw a curve down on the right and an angle out on the left. Now let's start in between and let's draw a wavy line over to the right. And then a curve down underneath. Now let's hop back over to the left and let's add 2 bumps. Curve it over. And 1 more bump to close it off. Now let's add some details to the arm. Let's draw a curve at the wrist and add some lines across inside. And a few more curves on the upper arm. And that's it for the left arm. Now let's move back over and let's finish drawing the shirt. Let's start underneath the sleeve on the left and let's draw an angle down. Then let's hop over to the right and let's draw a bent line. Another one underneath. 1 more again. And then curve it out and down. Now for the bottom, let's draw a curve over and then bumpy lines over to the left hand. And then a curve across underneath. Now on the right, let's finish drawing the right arm and sleeve. Let's draw an angle down and bring it in. And then a V-shaped point up and over. And then an angled line underneath for the arm. And add a line inside. Now that we have the shape of the shirt, let's move in and let's add some details. On the right sleeve, let's draw 2 lines from the top and 1 up near the bottom. Now next to the collar, let's draw 1 up and loop it back around. Then 2 curves on the left sleeve and a hole underneath. And then a few more holes on the bottom. And then a curve over and down. And that's it for the upper body. Now let's move down and let's draw the pants. Let's start underneath the left hand and let's draw a curve down and then a larger one for the pocket. Now top over to the right and let's draw an angle down and then bring it down underneath. Now another curve under and over to the left and a zigzag line underneath. Now top over and do the left side. Let's draw a curve down under the arm and a curved piece out and back in. Then bring it down, out, down and in, and a curved piece up and out. And again, a zigzag line underneath. And now let's move over and let's draw the right leg. Let's draw an angle down with a V-shaped notch in, and then bring it down and out again. Now let's add a larger hole by bringing it in and out like this. A small angle down, and another hole in and out. Then angle it down, and a bent line underneath. Now for the inside of the leg, let's hop in and let's draw a curve down and in. And another bent line underneath. Now inside those larger holes, let's draw 2 angles for the side of the leg. Now that we have the shape of the pants, let's move in and let's draw some details. Let's start by drawing some triangle-shaped holes near the top of both of the legs. And then on the left leg, let's draw a small curve. Bring it in from both sides. Angle it up and down, and a curve to close it off. Then another diamond-shaped hole underneath. Lastly, let's add a few more lines on the pants like this. And that's it for the pants. Now let's move underneath and let's draw the shoes. Let's start by drawing the left one. Let's start with a curve up and back down for the tongue of the shoe. Now for the laces, let's draw a curve underneath, and then another one going the other way. And then a line out on both sides. Now on top of this line, let's draw a curved rectangle up and back in on both sides like this. And then add another curve inside the pants on top. Now top back down next to the laces and let's draw a line out and down. And the same on the other side. And then a curve underneath and back around. And a curve inside at the bottom. Now let's move to the sides and let's draw a line down, curve it out and back in. And then at the end, let's add a small rectangle on both sides. And that's it for the left shoe. Now let's move over and let's draw the right side. Let's start by drawing the tongue of the shoe underneath on the right. And then 2 curves underneath for the laces in the same way as the other side. And then for the end of the laces, let's draw a curve out and down. And the same thing next to it. And a curved rectangle at the end. And then another smaller rectangle. Now let's hop back up next to the tongue and let's draw a curve out, bring it up and over. Now at the end, let's bring it down and in. Now underneath, let's draw a small line down, curve it over to the laces, and continue it out on the other side. Then at the bottom, a small curve up, and then a larger curve for the toe of the shoe. Now let's hop inside and let's start at the heel and let's draw a curve near the bottom and continue it on the other side of the laces. And then one more curve down on top. And that's it for the shoes. Lastly, let's draw the hand and the microphone. On the right side, near the legs, let's draw a circular curve. And then color this in black. And then underneath, let's draw an angle down and in for the hand. And that's it for the Silly Billy boyfriend. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!